Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill, guys. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Alright guys, so those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know I love me a good manicure. I religiously go to the nail salon every 2 weeks to either get a refill or to get a shellac manicure. And seeing as how the nail salons have been closed for the last month, it looks like they're gonna be closed for another few weeks, I decided to dive back into press-on nails. Now, if you guys remember, I did a Kiss Impress wear test and review over these exact same nails a few months ago, and I'll definitely leave that video linked up above so you guys can check it out. But I had a pretty good experience with these drugstore press-on nails. They weren't half bad, and for like the $6, $7 maybe that I paid for this little manicure set, I got a 2-week wear out of it. So totally got my money's worth on that. But when I saw that Kingdom Nails here in my hometown of Far, Texas was doing Salon pressed on nails, that is a train I jumped on super quick. I immediately ordered a custom set of press-on nails, and let me tell you guys, if you have your local nail salon that maybe you frequent, if they're starting to sell items, maybe to do your own pedicure, manicure, or even press-on nail sets, please consider buying from them, because you are helping not only that business owner, but you are helping the other employees of that company. And it's so important for us right now to support our local businesses in any way that we can. So these are the nails that my friend Vanessa, the owner of Kingdom Nails here in Far, created for me. I told her I wanted a bright neon yellow with a bling accent nail, and these are the gorgeous nails that she created for me. And so I'm going to show you guys today how I applied them step by step, take you through the entire process, which was actually very quick and easy. So if you guys want to see how I got this Salon gel press-on manicure, keep on watching. Once again, I want to thank my friend Vanessa, the owner of Kingdom Nails in Far, Texas, for doing an amazing job with these press-on nails. And guys, these nails, they're not a one-time deal. I can totally reuse them, and I can reuse them because they're gel nails made with gel nail polish. So this nail polish isn't going to come off unless you expose it to pure acetone, and I mean like soaking it in there. Of course, the nail polish will come off, but with regular nail polish remover, this isn't going to bother them one bit. So once again, I want to say a huge thank you to my friend Vanessa, the owner of Kingdom Nails here in Far, Texas, for making these beautiful nails for me. I absolutely love them, and I love even more than I'm able to support a local business here in my hometown. If you guys have that opportunity, please guys take advantage of that. All of the local businesses out there, they really need our support. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated guys, drink that water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.